Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a Victoria's Secret haul to share with you. So it's not going to be very long, but I wanted to cover a couple of different sales that they have that they do periodically, so definitely be on the lookout. Well, they always have something going on, but I always wait and buy my underwear for when it's like 7 for whatever. Today it was actually 10 for 35, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So only $3.50 a pair, which is pretty dang good. It's about as good as you can do on their underwear. I'm going to jump straight in and tell you what I'm wearing now. First, I have a set of pajamas. This is their flannel set, so I do have on the pants as well, but this set has little fox on them. They're super adorable, and the foxes have like little ribbons tied to them. It's so cute. So it's like this really light, soft pink. It's very, very muted, and then the little fox have yellow ribbons, and some of the fox are even wearing crowns. So let me show you here. This is kind of awkward, but just so you can see what it looks like, because they're so adorable. Pants to match, and then underneath I am wearing a little bralette. I actually bought this one today. So today they had 30% off of a pink item, and this is a pink bralette. Sorry for the boobs. I will tell you though, this is really, really cute. It has like this little shiny material to it. I just want to give you an up close of that. I did get mine in a large. Just for a frame of reference, I am 36D. This is like just barely fitting. It's fine around, but as far as the cups go, this is like, you know, you're gonna reveal a good bit with this, but it's really cute. I think it's very cute and comfy. And obviously I'm not wearing this out right now. I have it on with pajamas, but I can definitely see myself wearing this with a lower cut top. If you're a little bit more revealing, you might even wear this with a jacket and maybe just button the lower buttons like I have with my pajamas. But really cute. But it's really cute. I love the bralette, and it was about $18 or $19. I really like it though. So these look really cute together, and I just thought it would be cute to show you in the video. So I made two purchases. The first purchase included these pajamas, and with my purchase I got a $20 rewards card, and I got some freebie bags as well. With that purchase I got two pair of underwear that were on sale for $3.99, so not even as good as the 10 for 35, but these are just both cheeky. They are lacy on both sides, and they're basically just like mirror each other, but very cheeky on the butt, and I actually really like this style. It's one of my all-time favorites. More comfortable than a thong to me, but still really cute and comfortable to me. And then the next pair, same exact style but in a bright red, so I feel like, hey, I've got like my Christmas color underwear, and $3.99 a piece I thought was good. So with that purchase, these pajamas and underwear, I also got this set of pajamas, which has a long sleeve, kind of like almost like a burnout material, and really super comfortable. It's very, very soft, kind of the same color as that underwear, very bright red. Such a comfy material. This is the top, and they do go together with these pants. Also have the fox on them. I just think they're so, so cute. I also put these pajamas in my holiday gift guide, which you guys should be seeing probably before this video, but I really like this as well. And the same detail, so the fox have the little tiaras, or they have the little ribbons on them. So this is a little set, and I think it's so, so cute. I always splurge a little bit. I love pajamas year round, but during the holidays I splurge a little bit and get some from Victoria's Secret. These are usually also on my Christmas wish list as well, but I decided to pick some up because I really wanted to show you the cute options, and for me, cute animals are always a go-to. So on that first order, one more thing that I purchased was this pair of boyfriend pants. Now these are from the Victoria's Sport side. They're a sweatpant material. I love the dark charcoal gray. They are just plain on the butt. What I loved this year is that the boyfriend pants in the past that I've gotten are super comfortable, but they have kind of like that boxer type butt on them. And not to be like rude or anything, but it's kind of give you that like saggy grandpa butt. Like, you know, boxers are not flattering, at least like regular boxers, I don't think. Boxer briefs maybe, but you know, they've got those seams going down the cheeks. And I always just thought that was kind of funny, and I don't know, I don't like it. I'm sure there's a purpose for it in the wear of them, but like for me, I don't really like to wear them out in public. Like, not that I should be wearing sweatpants in public. Now I'm just rambling, but I always thought like, ooh, my butt looks saggy. So I'm glad that these are just a regular, like straight old seam up the middle type of butt on them. I just prefer that to me personally. And these also have pockets. You know, a lot of women's clothes, you just don't have pockets on them. And it's got a black drawstring, and then on the leg you have Victoria's Sport in black. And I like this like dark on dark. I saw another pair that I kind of wanted to get today that had leopard print lettering, but they were from the pink side, but they didn't have a large, and In these, they're a little bit looser fit. I could probably go with a medium, but I like a larger, looser, comfy fit in these sweatpants. That's why I buy the boyfriend ones. So I didn't really want to size down. Big thighs and big butt and all that, and I don't want it to be tight and uncomfortable. That kind of defeats the purpose. So there you go. I really love those. So that was my first order that I purchased. With that, they had free bags. So if you spent, I think it was like spend 50 or 75 and you got this tote bag. So I actually think it's really cute. It's like a kind of canvasy material, but it's got this like shimmery gold on it, and it shimmer across the whole bottom. Says Victoria's Secret, and this is a very sturdy material. That's the front there. Sorry, I kind of showed you the wrong side, but it's a really sturdy material. I will definitely get use out of this, and it's got a nice solid bottom to it. And then if you spent even more, which I did because I wanted to kind of get everything all at once, I spent just enough to receive this bag, and this is more of a weekender, bigger bag, kind of still in that tote bag size and cut, but this one has the pink on it, so pink lettering, and then a pink on the bottom as well. This also has a strap that you can use, but I kind of prefer the handles personally. But again, really sturdy. This is usually not like my favorite type of material, this like canvas, but with this they kind of made it work, and for a freebie I think it's pretty nice. You know, sometimes you get like a free bag and you're like, oh, I'm never gonna use that. These I think are pretty cute. So with that order, I got a $20 reward card, which I used today to buy a few things. So the first thing I bought was the bralette. I showed you guys that. So that cost me about $19. But altogether, I got 10 for 35 panties and this bralette, and I had the $20 off card. So after all was said and done, I spent $37 on the bralette and 10 pair of panties, which I thought was great. So I basically got the bralette for free and spent 10 for 35 panties with plus tax. So I thought that was a good deal. So really all I have to show you now are a bunch of panties. I did mix Victoria's Secret and the pink side. Sometimes I feel like the pink side just like, I don't like all the lettering and like words on them. Sometimes I just want something cute, but they had a few really cute ones this time, so I did mix and match. The first one is from the pink side, and I think these are so adorable. This is a bit more of a comfortable style, but I could not pass these up. So this one is the Cheekster in this light pink, and I love the material. I love when the color is the same and it's just like embossed, and it's got this really pretty shiny material. It kind of feels like, it almost feels like corduroy, but like really light, soft corduroy, not like corduroy pants that made that sound when you walked. You know what I'm talking about? I used to have some. But yeah, these are super cute. I could not pass these up. The light pink on pink is just it's very what I want in my life. I would like more things that look just like this. This is a leopard print, a very stretchy, comfortable material, but leopard print in the front, and it's just a thong in the back. This is going to be a very like comfortable, I don't want to show panty line type of thing. This one I also got from the Victoria's Secret side, and I didn't see anything else quite like this. So it's velvet on the front, and it's got like this little, almost like a plaid detailing, but it's like shimmery and velvety and so cute. Reminded me of the pink ones a lot, but I definitely needed this one in my life. And then a cotton back. The next pair, this bright yellow, really caught my eye. So it's just cotton in the front, and then it's got a laced ruched back. So this is the hip hugger, but it's the hip hugger with the ruched back. And sorry, I didn't tell you guys the style. This one is just a cheeky, and then of course the other was a thong. This pair I also got from the pink side. I usually don't get a lot of boy short styles, but I thought throwing these on with a big comfy tee would be really cute. So it's just cotton all around, but they're almost like miniature little shorts. They're definitely a true boy short, but I feel like these are super full coverage. You could definitely hang around the house wearing just these, you know what I mean? If you're not someone who typically does that. But this is the boy short boxer. So really cute. I love the velvet trim. I got another pair that are the hip hugger with the ruched back, but these have the little fox on them. I just couldn't pass it up. You guys can see I really love that fox print. So this one is really cute in the lavender and a laced on the bottom. I got this from the Victoria's Secret side. This one is a hip hugger or hipster, and a really bright kind of fluorescent neon orange, and I've got little sparkles on the band. Very comfy. Another one that I'm definitely going to be wearing at home with pajamas. Love to sleep in those. I got a pair of the cheeky and the lace, so lace trim on both sides. Got little stripes with hearts and leopard print and Victoria's Secret and polka dots. Very girly. We got a bikini and a very comfortable material. I just like this material. Made me get this, and I love the color green. So very simple on these, but they're nice and cozy, and these just like hug you just right without riding up anywhere. And finally, one more pair. I got one more thong, and this is from the pink side as well. Again, I love the same color and kind of embossed lettering, and it's got the sparkly print, just a regular in the front, thong in the back. So that is everything I got from Victoria's Secret. I hope you guys don't mind seeing those, and I'm sorry if you're not someone who likes to look at new underwear, but they are all brand new, tags still on, haven't worn them or anything, and I just wanted to show you what I got. They have so many cute things. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to go watch my holiday gift guide. I do have a giveaway in that, and I will have another big giveaway once we hit 10,000, which is so soon, which is so close. So make sure to go and subscribe as well. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.